but since she has implanted hair, you have to take the head off. Okay.
And this one next to me is Tianyang from YF Doll, paired with a 163 centimeter body. We just got back from the beach in Shenzhen, so she's in a pretty dirty state right now. Let's welcome our photographer for this session, Rabbit, who's also a longtime doll enthusiast. We'll have him show everyone how to clean this doll, as well as share his years of experience with dolls. Hey, I wasn't finished talking yet.
It's fine, let's just get started.
What's the first step?
First, the head. Since she has implanted hair, if it were a wig, you just take the wig off. But with implanted hair, the head must come off.
Okay. Hey, if you've used her mouth, how do you go about cleaning it?
Well, just give her teeth a brush.
By brushing, you mean how deep exactly?
I mean, just point the faucet inside and rinse, 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 rinse.
Okay. Do people actually use the mouth?
Then, carefully take this bag and put it over the top, for example. Now, take a rubber band. One loop is enough, just like that. On to step 2.
This is a spray gun.
Actually, a regular shower head works too.
Usually after applying body wash, you don't rinse right away, right? Since her chest is slippery, you'd let her have a little fun first. Ah, I must have hit a nerve. Look at Rabbit's expression.
Looking surprised, huh? After rinsing, she's basically clean. Now you need to cover her with a cloth, so that we don't get ourselves wet while moving her.
Don't you need to wipe her dry before moving?
You could, but usually you can't wipe it all off, so we just let her air dry.
How long does air drying take?
About half an hour, depending on the local humidity.
Don't you wipe the head and face?
For the face, we usually apply powder. You can't wash it directly.
Oh.
Usually just apply powder, and then you can take the doll away as usual.